Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to hide product title in one page or in a specific page from your Shopify online store. So, if you have started to building your website with Shopify and wanted to hide any page title from any selected page or from any specific page, then you can continue this video. So, let's get started. You can see that I'm on my Shopify online store, and by default if I click on the about page, here is the about page title. In the same way, if I click on the super secret product page, you can see there is a page title super secret product. So I wanted to hide this title only from this page, and other page title will be remain in the website. Okay, to do this, first I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. So here is my Shopify admin panel. Then going to click on the online store. Then click on the three dot icon, and from here select edit code. Now in the search file field, I'm going to search page and open main page.liquid file. Here you can see that a code name page title. We are going to add some code instead of this. So I have ready code. Here is the code that you will find in my website. I will share the code link in the video description. Then just cut this code and paste this code here. Now going to visit the super secret product page. Wow, you can see that the title has removed right now. And if I go to the about page, we can see the about page title. So it's working very easily. We have to just use the page URL from here in the code, just here, then it will work. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.